Genting Plantation Berhad. The financial statements prepared in accordance with and comply with the FRS, Financial Reporting Standards, and the MASP, Malaysian Accounting Standard Board, approved accounting standards in Malaysia. Genting Plantation Berhad adopt MFRS framework. The presentation currency used in the preparation of this consolidated financial statement is in RM, Ringgit Malaysia. The financial statements have been prepared on a historical cost basis, except as disclosed in the significant accounting policies. Tunas Baru Lampung. The financial statements have been prepared and presented in accordance with Indonesian Financial Accounting Standards (IFAS), which comprise the statements and interpretations issued by the Board of Financial Accounting Standards of the Institute of Indonesia Chartered Accountants and the Board of Sharia Accounting Standards. Tunas Baru Lampung adopt Indonesian Financial Accounting Standards (IFAS) or Penyataan Standar Akuntansi Keuangan (PSAK). The presentation currency used in the preparation of this consolidated financial statement is in rupiah. The measurement basis used is the historical cost, except for certain accounts which are measured on the basis described in the related accounting policies. The consolidated financial statements, except for the consolidated statements of cash flows, are prepared under the accrual basis of accounting. Now let's move to the consolidated statements of financial position as at 31st December 2018 for both companies. Genting Plantations as at 31st December 2018. The inventories amounting 291,026,000, while the produce growing on barrier plants is 3,828,000. It can be shown in the notes 29 and 30. The fair value measurement of the produce growing on barrier plants is determined by using the market approach, which takes into consideration the market price of fresh fruit bunches, FFB, adjusted for estimated oil content of unharvested FFB, less harvesting, transport and other costs to sell, and is categorized within level 3 of the fair value hierarchy. A reasonable change in the key assumptions would not result in a material impact to the financial statements. Tunas Baru Lampung as at 31st December 2018. The total biological assets for the year is 271,775,000. Fresh fruit bunches with total 105,609,000, while the sugarcane is 166,166,000. This can be shown in the notes number 7, biological assets. The valuation of FFB of palm trees and sugarcane agricultural products assets uses the income approach, because the fair value of FFB and sugarcane agricultural product is based on projections of income that will be generated by plants that have produced. Through the income approach, the values of FFB and sugarcane plantations are determined based on the calculation of the present value of net cash flow for the projected net cash flow that is expected to be produced by agricultural products for the remaining economic life. With the discounted cash flow method, the net cash flow projection is determined annually by considering the life cycle of the FFB and sugarcane plantations, and discounted by applying a certain discount rate. The accumulated discounted net cash flow projection reflects the value of the overall FFB and sugarcane plants. This is the barrier plants under the non-current assets for the mature plantation and immature plantation. The mature plantations amounting 2,022,128,000, while the immature plantation is 1,384,346,000. This can be shown in the notes number 12, barrier plants. Both company, Tunas Baru Lampung and Genting Plantation Berhad, does not disclose on their annual report regarding the